Understanding School Assemblies, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and significance of school assemblies. This is a common concept in many educational systems around the world, and understanding it can help you get a clearer picture of school life in English-speaking countries. So, let's dive in. School assemblies are gatherings of students and staff members in a school. They are held in a large space, like the school's auditorium or gymnasium. The primary purpose of these assemblies is to share information, celebrate achievements, and build a sense of community among students and teachers. They usually happen at a set time, like once a week or month, and all students from various classes and grades come together for this event. School assemblies often have a few common features. Announcements. Important information about school events, schedules, or changes is shared. Performances. Students or groups might perform music, drama, or dance. Speeches. Teachers, school leaders, or guest speakers may give motivational or educational speeches. Awards and recognitions. Students' achievements, both academic and extracurricular, are often celebrated. School assemblies play a vital role in the educational experience. They foster school spirit. Assemblies bring everyone together, promoting a sense of unity and pride. Provide learning opportunities. They often include educational content, like speeches on important topics or cultural performances. Celebrate diversity. With students from various backgrounds, assemblies can be a platform for cultural exchange and understanding. While the basic concept of school assemblies is similar worldwide, there can be variations based on cultural and educational systems. For example, in some countries, assemblies might include religious or national rituals. The frequency and duration of assemblies can vary greatly. The content and tone of assemblies might reflect local educational priorities and cultural values. School assemblies are an integral part of the educational experience in many countries, serving not just as a means of disseminating information but also as a way to build a strong, cohesive school community. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what school assemblies are and why they're important. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.